Hey guys, so I just got a new battery for my Xiaomi Mi A1. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, all parts brand new of course. Originally 3000 mAh. Everything looks good, no problem. Just put it here. And now let's connect the battery connector through the motherboard. A bit tight. No more swollen, as you can see. So here's the inside. And my frame, same tray. Now let's reassemble everything. Let's begin. So here's the Xiaomi Mi A1 after install everything with a new battery install. I did cleaning this phone and it looks like brand new, as you can see. All black is really nice. Now let's try to turn on the phone. It works! Wow. Try to touch. Yep, the touch is working. So I just tried everything and no problem at all. As you can see, finally my Xiaomi Mi A1 is back to life with a new battery. As you can see, wow, look at that. No problem. I'm so happy with it. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this a new battery install on my Xiaomi Mi A1 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.